It's your boy, 30 Round P. I'm about to show you and try and use these clamp shells and see what these do. I just bust down the end cap, took that off the Q Erector 9. I'm about to take off a section of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baffles. So let's see. They say first thing you do is put that on. And then let me see if I could handle it. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, I just had to do it tight. I was scared a little bit, chat. That was the first one, so it was pretty easy in the vise, I ain't gonna lie. I was scared, I thought I was gonna break it, but no, I could feel it, it was good. Eight-foot bombs. There we go. Shorten my Q Erector 9. Can't fucking take that off. Let's check all the baffles. Tighten one at a time. There we go. One. Oh, and every time you move it, you gotta move this down. Go. There we go. Make sure all those grooves was nice and tight. There we go. That's the short form.